Manipur Chief Minister Biren emphasized the importance of collective efforts in conserving wetlands and protecting nature, while also addressing criticism he faced for his stance on illegal immigration and poppy cultivation. He was speaking as the chief guest in the World Wetlands Day 2025, which was organized by the Directorate of Environment and Climate Change on the theme Protecting Wetlands for Our Common Future at Kanchipur's Laisang Hidin. Speaking further, Biren expressed frustration over being judged through the lens of narrow politics, particularly regarding his efforts to eradicate illegal poppy cultivation and address the issue of illegal immigrants. He also stressed on the adverse impacts of destructing nature and ecological balance by humankind.
Safe forest de haibado uya thalaga popi thabri lepte safe water body de haiba khopsal laga lam khopsal laga sajin badi lepte chinna nam haiba thabak nam to soi goi roi adani maram rakta baru winoi na to kuda ka tawrais akhoi collectively akhoi hona hogradi akhoi mutkini ko America ngarang hek tram ka ba ki doyong kanagi illegal immigrants me oh ina flight the khara half truck the khara half sibai me amje polel lenga na roi thado khare akhoi di madu thadok se hairo Biren halo illegal immigrant khantok se hairo ni Biren chai di me lemin no ro no ya hai da be aphaba thabak to se is kari gino suya ya de khoi bharta di tram ngarang la phak tawdu yem bi obo me the leader do the mine wo eba American force thousands of loin of thadok reba sukuma leader ma pame khoi leader ma dakar lai politics sabu karai degi yana chaladi yana chatpad ni nga se khoi ngak yong putharmis yana chatpe roi